Introducing the new Honda Prologue. With its neo-rugged design and adventure-ready spirit, this fully electric SUV is equally suited to both daily driving and out-of-town getaways. Brilliant LED headlights help the Prologue shine, while distinctive badging helps it stand out as an electrified Honda vehicle. Available 21-inch alloy wheels round out the look and add a sophisticated touch. And when it comes to parking, the available surround vision system provides an overhead view of your surroundings to help guide you into almost any spot. The new Honda Prologue, lighting the way to Honda's future in electrification. The moment you step inside the new Honda Prologue, you'll notice its spacious, clean design. The available leather-trimmed interior surrounds you in comfort and style, and there's plenty of legroom for 5 adults. But if you need extra room for cargo, just fold down the 60/40 split rear seat back to gain even more space for luggage, gear, or groceries. An available hands-free access power tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Speaking of breezes, you can let in some fresh air and natural light with the available panoramic moonroof. The Prologue's streamlined design helps you stay organized and focused. A large center console and lower storage bin provide space for your essentials, and there's even a handy multi-tray with room for 2 phones. A total of 4 USB-C ports and an available 110-volt outlet allow you and your passengers to power up multiple kinds of devices. But when you want to power down, available ambient lighting emits a calming, subdued glow. With 3 easy ways to charge the new Honda Prologue, you'll always be ready to go. Plugging in at home is easy with a home charging station, and a portable charging kit lets you charge away from home as well. You can also power up at some of the nation's largest EV charging networks, where DC fast charging can get you from 20% to 80% in just 35 minutes. The easy-to-read charging status screen displays your current state of charge, while the charging status indicator turns solid green when your charge is complete. The aerodynamic shape of the Prologue was designed to optimize performance and maximize efficiency. Its front grille face and other styling elements work together to streamline airflow around the vehicle for an efficient drive. The latest technology awaits inside the new Honda Prologue. With Honda Link connected by OnStar, Google Built-in provides seamless hands-free access to music, climate control, and much more. Google Maps will even recommend charging stations along your route to optimize your travel time. Wireless Apple CarPlay for iPhone and wireless Android Auto compatibility make it easy to stay connected. And you can stay fully charged with the Pocket-type wireless phone charger. Use the Honda Link app to lock, unlock, and start your Prologue, all with your phone. You can also use the app to check your vehicle's charging status and estimated mileage range. Turn up your favorite music and enjoy the crisp, high-quality audio of the available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system. The Prologue's adventure-ready, available dual-motor all-wheel drive handles versatile terrain with ease, so you can explore the great outdoors with confidence. Discover the electric SUV that goes beyond expectations. The new Honda Prologue.